Hi, I'm Janeena with Glo Skin Beauty, and this is how you apply Luminous Liquid Foundation SPF 18. First off, be sure to browse our shade finder quiz online to confirm you've purchased the correct shade. To ensure that radiant and even flawless coverage, apply Luminous Liquid Foundation SPF 18 after your daily skin prep. And it's important to have the right brush for application. For fuller coverage, apply with a dense and flat brush like the angled complexion brush. Or if you prefer sheer to medium coverage, apply with a fluffier brush like the contour highlighter. Today, I'll be using the angled complexion brush. To apply, dispense about a nickel-size amount onto the back of your hand, then dip your brush right into the formula, picking up about half of the amount. This avoids product overload, which commonly happens with liquid formulas. For the most even blend, start by swatching onto your jawline, chin, cheeks, nose, and ending at your forehead. Then using a light stippling motion, press that product right into your skin until those areas you want are evened and covered in foundation. Now use a light sweeping and stippling motion to blend into your skin. And to keep that complexion looking fresh all day, try pairing your Luminous Liquid Foundation SPF 18 with Luminous Setting Powder or Hydration Mist.